This is how to spell the word sun. Can you say sun? Great! S-U-N. Sun. 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 Outstanding. That is a bright sun. What color is the sun, boys and girls? Take a look at the color. What color is the sun? The sun is the color yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Yellow. And there is another color that's associated with the sun, boys and girls. What color is it? Red. Can you say red? Red. Red. Great! You sound outstanding. What color is the S in the letter sun? What color is the S in the word sun? Can you tell me? The color of the S is blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Blue. Wonderful. All right, what is the next letter, boys and girls? The next letter is the letter U. What color is the U? The color of the U is red. Can you say red? Red. Red. Wonderful. And lastly, boys and girls, can you tell me the color of the last letter in the word sun? The color of the last letter in the word sun is orange. Can you say orange? Orange. Orange. Outstanding. S-U-N spells sun. You did an outstanding job. Now, let's move on to a book read. Oh, we have a special surprise. I have a special surprise for you today when it pertains. There's that word again, pertains, reading. All right, today's read, and remember, readers are leaders. Today's book is Brown Bear, Brown Bear, What Do You See? Oh, this is going to be exciting. Let's find out what the brown bear sees. Brown Bear, Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Let's get into this exciting book. Ooh, look at all the colorful pages, all the colorful animals that's in this book. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. You see the yellow duck? Look at that colorful yellow duck. Yellow duck, what do you see? Let's see what the yellow duck sees. I see a green frog looking at me. Look at that green frog. That is the color green. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat. Look at that purple cat. Have you ever seen a purple cat, boys and girls? Well, in Brown Bear, there is a purple cat. Ooh. I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Look at that white dog. So white. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Look at that black sheep with green eyes. What a colorful black sheep with green eyes. Black sheep, what do you see? Let's see what the black sheep sees. I see a goldfish looking at me. Ooh, that is a colorful goldfish with green eyes as well. Hello, goldfish. Can you say hello, goldfish? Say hello to the goldfish. That is a golden, yellow goldfish. Goldfish, what do you see? Oh, what does that goldfish see, boys and girls? Ooh, I see a teacher looking at me. Look at the teacher, boys and girls. Look at the teacher of excellence as well. Teacher, what do you see? Let's see what the teacher sees. I see children. Look at all of the children, boys and girls, all of the beautiful shades of skin, different culture of children. Look at that. Look at that. They are learning as well. The teachers see children looking at her. Look at that. Excellent, beautiful, rich color and culture. Children, what do you see? All right, let's see what the children sees. I see a brown bear, a red bird, a black sheep, a green frog, a goldfish, a yellow duck, a blue horse. Oh, that's new. A white dog, a purple cat, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Wow. Look at that. Wonderful. Excellent. This is an excellent book read, and it is highly recommended from us here at Circle Time Kids Club to help your student learn how to identify animals, word identification, color identification, and it just goes on and on and on. As a side note for parents and teachers, this book was actually a investment from Barnes and Noble. Yes, Barnes and Noble. This is where we purchased this book as an educational tool to help children learn how to read and learn. Because again, readers are leaders, and this is a really good resource to have inside of your teacher toolbox to help children learn how to read. Well, Hey, listen, boys and girls, and parents and teachers. We are truly thankful for you joining in with us today here at Circle Time Kids Club. Our goal is to help you learn no matter where you are. You can be in the classroom or learning virtually at home. Our goal and our passion is to ensure that we are providing high quality educational content to help your students and your children to learn what they need to learn to be a success in this life. Because remember, today's children, they're children now, but tomorrow they are future leaders. So it is our goal to help them to shine bright, to help them to radiate in this world, to be productive members of society. So thanks again for tuning in today. And thank you again, boys and girls. And let's also hear from Pete, Marcus, and Lexi. Oh, yes, they're saying thank you as well for tuning in with us. And be sure to join us again tomorrow for another exciting, fun day of Circle Time Kids Club. Bye-bye. Pete, Marcus, Lexi, can you say bye-bye to the students? Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.